everyone, today we will introduce you about Titania product overview. Introduction of Titania is a developed cybersecurity auditing software. Product of Titania is Niper Studio, Pulse Studio and TEC. I will describe about one of product of Titania, which is TEC. TEC is Titania Enterprise Console. Is configuration auditing tools that enable fast and cost-effective. TEC include functionality for the analysis of network, such as firewall, switch, routers, and workstation or server. Problem that TEC can solve is can automate repetitive, can increase your organization aggregate level of security, can take a snapshot of your entire network. Features of TEC is to perform large-scale security and compliance audit, deliver concise summary on result found, enable you to drill down into individual reports, facilitate continuous monitoring through simple audit scheduling, alert you when vulnerabilities are found on your device, and the last one is enable you to track change made to the configuration of device. Functionalities of Titania Enterprise Console is System Device Module and Network Security Device Module. Thank you for joining eSpin Product Overview Training. If you require for other product, please contact us or visit our website on www.e-spincorp.com.